Working President Balarangba Kasengsan Partai United Democratic Party UDP Bah Bindo Lanong ulapan pa ulap diang Sngew bandon ka kynhun tohkit laitluid hakabayade baka jingkhaïi baka jingti ba jingkhaïi dewïong beaiñ hapo kajila kayat syakmat yakani Bah Bindo baderu unong mikmat shu se syakayeng dorbar thawan ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC ulakren hakilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingkendo yo Chief Executive Member ka Council Titos W Khan hakabalayakren halor ka KHAD Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill arajar arpho.
I don't think I have the advantage or to take the advantage in respect of the court order. No. Unless you see the government or the parties concerned challenge the order of the High Court before the bench. That means if they don't do that, the order of the court stands and you have to follow. As simple as that. Well, if the government does not challenge the order, then the next step is you have to constitute. Otherwise you will be caught by the court.
But do you welcome an independent inquiry into this?
I am in favor of that. I am in favor. Independent inquiry is always advisable. And if the government does not go by the order of the court, then they will be held for contempt. You know that. You know that. Either you challenge or you constitute. Otherwise, you will be held for contempt. As simple as that.